The first thing we're going to do here is the Rovor Tabei, and this is a small sleeping bag that is a 25-degree comfort rating, and extreme condition is 23 degrees. It does feature the YKK zipper, and that was a big selling point for me. YKK zippers are really, really dependable and strong, and it does have this 3D loft microfiber fill, so it's like space age stuff, I guess. What I like about it is it's really, really small. Now we'll have another koozie review here. This is their bigger one. It's the 0-degree extreme condition, and you can see big time difference here in size. So great for backpacking. Both of these could definitely be on your day packs, but lots of zippers, ways to hold this down. Bag is in pretty good shape. I don't see any tears. Stitching seems to be good. Good straps. Again, stitching is real good. Things we look for here are uneven stitches, fraying, loose ends. I have never taken this out yet. It'll probably never look this nice again. It's amazing what they do now with these materials. These zippers. It goes all the way down to just about the end of the foot. Inside you'll see a flap here, which also will string, so as you're in the sleeping bag you can wrap yourself up above the shoulders, keeping a lot of that heat in. Over on the back side, just kind of reviewing the stitching. From what I see here, it's really thin. I mean, you're not going to get any support with the sleeping bag. It's paper thin. Pull that water, the vapor off of your skin, which also helps make you feel cold. So yeah, the Rovor Tabei, again, probably in honor of Rovor Tabei, the famous Japanese mountaineer, the first woman to scale Mount Everest in 1977. You can get these at right on Amazon. We'll post a link below. If you have one of these and you want to give us your insight on it, post below. And we will learn together as we are going out camping on how the durability holds up.